Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and this is the best time to shop at Dollar Tree because it has so many new things. Not only does it have Valentine's decor, but it also has St. Patrick's Day, spring decor, and a ton of Easter goodies. So this is definitely the time to pick up all your goodies if you are a crafter. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. The first item that I purchased was this chalkboard heart. This is actually a repurchase. I used this last year in my daughter's Cupid photo shoot for Valentine's Day, but unfortunately it got damaged in the flood, so I repurchased it, hoping that I can recreate those photos now that she's a little bit older. I love how big it is and that you have enough space to write a really nice message. I also went ahead and repurchased this. I do love using this as a photo prop as well, and I might insert the picture of my daughter so you can see how I used these two items last year, but I love that these are really nice sizes. It's nice, it's big, and like I said, it's really cheap photo props. I thought this was absolutely adorable. It is a giant engagement ring. This is really cool for a centerpiece, or if you do nails and you like to take pictures of your work, this is a really nice item to have like somebody hold. I'm pretty sure that you've seen pictures like this all over the internet when you're looking at nail art, so I had to pick this up. The next item is this heart-shaped kind of like a frame. It has two little clips right here to hold your photo or your message. And I love this because not everyone decorates for Valentine's Day. This is nice, this is neutral, this is something you can have all year round and not have that bright Valentine's feel to it. The next themed item is also a photo prop. It is this felt bunny, and I absolutely love all the details on the side. I think it's really pretty, and the fact that it's nice and sturdy. I love this just to hang up on your door or to use in a DIY, which I might end up doing that. I finally found the notebooks that everybody was hauling, and it is this gold pineapple that says hello you, and the sheets inside are really pretty decorative paper. I really expected them to be like pineapples on the inside. It's not, but it's still very pretty. I also found this notebook which has an upside down monkey and says let's hang. This one is my absolute favorite because the inside, the theme of the paper is a little bit more on the tropical side and it has more of the gold, so I really like this one, especially if you're into like decoupaging things. These sheets are very pretty. When I saw these signs, I fell in love, but then when I felt them, I had to get them. These are the thickest pieces of wood that Dollar Tree has brought in, and I actually think that they're thick enough to where you can actually drill into them with a small drill bit and not split it. I can't wait to use these in a DIY. I am super duper impressed, and I hope that Dollar Tree keeps bringing in products like this where it makes it a little easier to DIY nicer looking things. I love stencils, especially the self-adhesive ones, because they're so much easier to work with. And this pattern is absolutely beautiful. It is a beautiful floral pattern. It even has a section if you want to do a corner piece of something, middle, sides. So this is really nice because most stencils that have a corner piece are pretty pricey. So the fact that this is a beautiful pattern for $1 is so worth it. Because I am a pineapple freak, I had to pick up this photo album. It has gold little pineapples everywhere. They don't look cheap at all. So I actually picked up quite a few and saved them for Christmas so that I can make little personalized gifts. They're really nice quality and the pineapples look beautiful. I always get notebooks and I end up using every single one of them. I write all of my ideas down because if I don't, they kind of get lost into existence. And this one is so cute. The pages are nice and thick. I just think that it is a beautiful pattern. I was really excited to see that Dollar Tree brought the plain round mirrors back. Last year it was such a mission to find them, and when I finally did, I did DIY them into a vintage frame. I'll leave that link below if you want to see that. The thing about these mirrors is that they are super duper flimsy. They're not as thick as the regular ones, so if you're going to pop them out of here, be very careful. I always pick up one more than I need because last year I had quite a few accidents trying to pry this out. I didn't even end up using the mirror because I ended up breaking free. But yeah, I do love the shape of it. I love that it's round. I love that Dollar Tree is bringing in so many different mirrors. It is heaven. I'm a sucker for socks, so of course when they brought out the Valentine socks, I had to pick them up. This one was my favorite. It has the hearts with the little arrows through them. And if you're planning on giving someone a gift, I think socks are so cute to add to a little gift basket. These are adorable. The last items that I purchased were scrunchies. If you have this much hair, then you lose scrunchies everywhere. And if you know anybody with super curly hair, these thick 80s style scrunchies are the best. I'm sure people with straight hair use them as well, but to pineapple your hair at night and not have any of the lines stay in your hair, these are so good. And if you know anybody with curly hair and you get them these, I swear to you, they will be so grateful. Anyway, y'all, that's it for me. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I can't wait to start DIYing using all of these items. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and till next time.